Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily remove the background from an image using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just sign up, it's quick and easy. Then, either create a new design or open an existing project where you want to add your image. Now, upload your photo by clicking on Uploads and selecting Upload Files, or simply choose a photo from Canva's library. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it so it's selected. On the toolbar above, click Background Remover. Canva will automatically process the image, and in just a few seconds the background will disappear. And that's it, you now have a clean cutout that you can place on any background or design. Just a quick note, this feature is available for Canva Pro users. But if you're using the free version, you can try using a site like remove.bg to remove the background, then upload the edited image back to Canva. If you think this video helps, please give a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to keep updated for the new uploads. Thanks for watching.